welcome back to Fidget Playtime, and I hope you enjoy this video, and subscribe, comment down low, hit that subscribe button to subscribe, and hit it down really, so click the notification bell to come notification squad. So today we're going to be learning about my fidget toys. So this one, well, it can light up. It's a fidget spinner, so it can actually light up. So this one can actually light up, because you can see if press these when they're off, you just spin it when they're on if you'd like. But if you'd like to turn it off, but if you'd like to have one on or two on, it's okay. If you'd like none on, you can just spin it without it on. So now we can move on to the next fidget toy. So this one is really hard. I just mixed it up, and Daddy is really confusing. He got the green one and he just mixed all the greens up again. I don't know what. So, Mummy, that one can also be like a cube. So Mummy's gonna fix it over there. She's taking it back to normal. And here's Daddy's favorite fidget toy that he bought me. Is the black cube. It can actually fold into any size and shape of 4. This looks like an 8 because it's a 4 and a 4, but I don't know why, but it's a pretty big number to 10. So this one actually is Daddy's favourite he bought me, and these are bouncy balls. I'm gonna get that. This is how many I've got added up. So when you have to hold the camera, you actually have to find it. So hope you do it. So I need these 2 into duals. I think these are little stretch things that can stretch out into different shapes. And this one, so these 2 actually can do this. I don't know how I just did that. Okay, so let's move on. This one Noah bought me, so it's dolphin. This one actually has to, these 2 actually have to go in. This is what they do, they just pop. This is what I began with. I only had these ones, and this is what I got from Maddie. So these 2 can actually bounce, like bouncy balls. So that's what they can do. They can actually bounce. If you just hold it and you bounce it like that, it bounces. See, it bounces, but it just can't bounce on the bed. And these are very stretchy. I've got like so many, so we can carry on now. And these, I don't know what they are for, but these are really fun. These can actually do this. They actually push the 2 other buttons. I've got one black one, those are only 2. Moving on to this one. This one Daddy bought me. It's very, very irresistible. These, you know, on my Rubik's Cube, if I just go to Mommy. Mommy! This is also a big fidget. This is also a big fidget spinner too. This one is very hard. You have to do a puzzle. This is also a big fidget spinner, so I hope you like it, this one. Mommy's gonna fix it. So you're gonna fix the Rubik's Cube. and Mummy's going to fix all my fidget toys when they get messed up because Daddy can't do them anymore. Back. These two, no, I thought you. Okay. These three I got here, I've only got 3 of them. I've got green, blue, and pink. Pink's my favourite colour one. Oh. These two are both pink. And I got orange, but I think this is orange too. These are the only 4 orange drink things. Oh man, that's awesome. These are a little blue. These are only 2 things. One to find out. These are rainbows, so they're going to be in every single one, but they're not like them. These. Sorry guys, cut that off the video please, Mummy. My mummy's over there. She's fixing my 2 fidget toys, and I think you've already heard of these ones. I already told you what these ones are, but I'd like to tell more about them. They can actually change into different sizes and shapes. So this is what they can do. Okay, the last toy, I don't think we have a last one, so we'll probably have a little play with these and check them out what they can do. Captain, get out of the camera! Sorry, persons in the video. Captain, get out! See you next. Bye guys. I'm sorry that we have to leave, but this is the end of Freyja's Playtime. See you next week. Freyja's Playtime out. And subscribe!